video naman ako. Samahan niyo ako a day in the life of a black. Hindi ko alam. Ang liwanag talaga dito. So ngayon, punta muna ako for my routine check-up with my doctor and let's see what's gonna happen for the whole day. And today is Monday, so may shift ako later. Papakita ko rin sa inyo yan. So, let's go! Waiting. Yan, done na. Napakawa na naman tayo ng dugo for testing. Hahaha. So, nasa OPD department ako ng QC General. So, tapos na. Follow-up check-up lang naman. St. Vincent? Oo nga, di tayo nakasimba. Di kami nakasimba kahapon kasi may ubos si mama at si ate. Oh. Bili mo na ng gamot. Tadadadadan. Ito.
Tama yung ano, yung style mo.
Grocery mo na.
7.
Sabili tayo nito. No time.
February 17.
Tatagal pa ba yan? Inipit. Bigas. Buy one get. Ganda, no? Ang salad. Mahal na, oh. 34. Meron pa din. These are my new favorites. Monster. Oreo. Ayan, pinamili natin. We're home! Nagbablog ka pa kayo? Ano yung luto mo?
Sabi kang kung
Honghang daw. Honghang. I-unbox na natin ating mga pinamili. It's 12:58. So mag-aano na. Alauna na. Sayang to oh. Paper bags. So ang pinali natin isang bread. Tapos bumili tayo ng dalawang coffee co brown and isang premium classic coffee co brown. And Baby Monster Oreo, of course. Pamag, salad dressing, dalawang salad and seaweed. Apple. Ang mahal na nito. Grapes para sa salad. Ube dice. Ube. Titikman natin. Pancit canton. Tuyo at may sabaw. At may sabaw. Yung bubong namin wala pang pisang. Inipit. Ipit na ipit. Then, salad, broccoli. Broccoli. Tapos, gulay. Ano to ma? Anong tag dito?
chicharo.
Chicharo. At saka, chicharu.
Bechuelas.
Bichuelas.
Ang gulay.
Kusina. Kusina dalawa. Chamay. And last but not the least, hot dog. Not sponsored. Choco. Tuna. Yung SM bonus na mga tuna caldereta. Ayan. My new favorite. Spam. Then, we have juice. Locally. Ito yung favorite kong brand. Dalandan. Pwedeng haluan ng water pero ini-straight ko siya. Ito pala sa food last na dried mango. So, hindi na ito ilalagay sa rep para masarap. Then, doon tayo sanitary, napkin, and more napkins. Tatlo nito. Ayan. Cotton buds. Mayroon facial wash pala. Mobile. Dahil wala akong lagay ng mga charger, bumili ako ng bucket. And last, razor. Ayan. Nandito tayo sa loob ng kwartong malamig. So, hindi ko muna siya papakita kasi hindi pa siya na-renovate ng todo. So, ayun. Nagbuli akong bucket para dito sa mga charger. Pero, hindi na muna yun ang itatapon ko. Ito lang. Ito. Yan. Tapos, meron akong mga tripods. This one. Para pag kailangan ko siya, nandito lang siya sa table. Hindi na ako maghahanap. Ayun guys, so meron akong routine check-up, hindi ko pala na-discuss ba't ako napunta doon. Dahil I'm immunocompromised, so maraming test na ginagawa sa akin in terms of my health system. More likely na magkakasakit if hindi ako magpa-vitamins and ayun. And then meron akong sugat dito, share ko na lang din. Dito, takayod siya. So, na-infect. So, uminom ako ng antibacterial antibiotics. And, hindi na ako uminom pala kasi nung first week ng January, na-admit ako for vancomycin. So, yun yung pinakamataas na uri ng antibiotics. So, sa vein na siya pinapadaan para mas gumaling at humilom yung sugat. So, yan. Kaya kayo guys, alagaan yung huwag kayong magkakasakit and kakagalos kasi hindi nyo alam kung kailan gagaling. Lalo na kapag yung resistensya nyo bagsak. And yun lang. So right now it's past 1. So hindi na, kakain na lang kami and then matutulog na lang ako. So later, babalik tayo for my shift kasi night shift ako. And I'll discuss a little bit kung ano yung work pero hindi ko pwedeng i-divulge 100% lahat. And I'm very excited na simulan ulit yung vlogs. Marami pang susunod. So ito yung mga first of my ideas. Isama kayo sa day to day. So kung sa tingin nyo medyo palpak pa yung video, talagang palpak pa kasi nangangapa pa ako kung paano ko siya gagawin as a creator. But that's it. See you in a bit.
A few moments later.
Here you go. Sleeping time. See you tonight. Hello. 2 hours sleep. Kanina pa ako gising actually. Ay, every Monday talaga mas maaga ako nagigising kasi from the weekends. Anyway, I will start to prepare for the shift tonight. Let's go. Basta maligo. Time now is 8:34. Wow, patapos na kumain. So ngayon malalagyan tayo ng mask. It's 10 minutes before my shift. Tapos ko na kumain, maligo. E nakapagbukas na rin ako ng computer. Nakapag-send ng ilang emails. Nare-replyan pagpasok ng shift. Lamig. So, usually, kapag mag-start ako ng shift, nag-open ako ng computer mga an hour before kapag gising ko ng 8 o'clock kasi 9 p.m. Manila yung shift ko. And then, nagsasegregate na ako ng email para alam ko na kung sino nire-replyan ko. And then, pagpasok ng shift, din ako nag-test ng mga systems kasi may mga reportings na dapat gawin and everything. So, ito yung whole setup ko for every night. Ito ay ang aking workstation. This is my laptop, yung extended keyboard ko, then my extended mouse. Yun yung kanina binili kong basket sa SM Hypermarket. And yun lang, basically. Marami lang siyang wire, so ngayon parang iniisip ko, bibili na lang ako ng mga Bluetooth powered meron na ako dito kasi hindi na siya gumagana yung mga Bluetooth na mouse para wala na masyadong wire. Pero yun nga, last event namin last week Monday, we got to meet some of our staff na nasa ibang bansa and they gifted us with few devices, and ito yung gamit ko ngayon is yung extender, which is amazing. First time ko na makagamit ng extender na pwede sa mouse and pwede sa keyboard. So yun, mag-shift na muna ako. Balikan ko kayo kapag oras na para bumalik. Hey guys, so right now nag-check ako sa Cursive. Gusto ko mag-enroll sa 28-day AI challenge nila for me to be familiarized with some AI tools kahit na hindi pa masyadong in-depth, pero I'm planning to self-develop on that area. Ayan, napasok ko na yung request ko sa company. Sana makakuha ng fund para maka-enroll ako sa Cursive AI 20 Challenge. Let's start with small wins or small challenges kasi hindi ko pa kaya talaga yung malalaking projects. And later, re-refresh ako ng akiamonday.com knowledge. There's a lot more to learn on that. So, yeah. 19.99 siya kanina kasi may mga discount. So, 17.91 na lang siya with tax na. With VAT.
Actually, okay naman. Kahit gawin mo siyang 12-week plan, try mo nga i-12 week.
Sige. Yes, guys. The approved. Our training is funded for the 28-day challenge. Pero hindi niya siya 28 kasi 12-week challenge siya. So, I'm very happy. Kakarili natin to. 20 minutes lang naman a day. So, hindi naman siya ganun ka time efficient. Hindi naman siya ganun ka time wasting activity. And this is micro learning. So, I'm very excited. Yeah, currently it's 10:45. So, katatapos lang ng dalawa kong call. Actually, those are like unscheduled calls. One is nagpadalong ako sa manager ko na magkaroon ng budget for my training for AI, and then second one is paturo ako about monday.com sa aking katrabaho, which is amazing kasi syempre hindi mo naman lahat alam, diba? So it's amazing that you have those kind of coworkers na willing to help, and I have a big project coming up, so ngayon ko siya gagawin later bago mag-out. Gist ng trabaho ko is more about, if you are familiar with, being in a call center and also doing VA jobs, mix yon. Pero more importantly, we assist our stakeholders to achieve their goals. At hindi ko naman madidiscuss kung sino yung mga clients, but yun, may admin work most of the time, Excel, PowerPoint, and then we assist with scheduling our calls, and most importantly yung goal ng department, let's say, na ma-achieve all throughout the year. So we're like the conduit, kumbaga, and we're the armed forces sa likod ng aming mga stakeholders. When they need something, pwede namin silang gawin. Pero depende pa rin sa job description. So mine is very limited to focusing on a couple of stakeholders, and then sila lang din yung tutulungan ko and yung department na handle nila. So yeah. And most of my work involves Excel and reporting. So yun, I will not say na master ako nun kasi I'm still on training with advanced Excel, pero sana na matapos ko yung training in due time. And now I'm starting a new training for AI courses. So it's 10:47 na. So I think I will answer lang yung pumasok na email, and then I'll take a break. Yay! There! So naka-break na ako, guys, for 15 minutes. Ganun lang. It's already 11:20. So what's good about working at home, syempre hawak na yung oras mo, and you have more time with your family and with the things that you like to do at home. Hindi ka na rin magbiyahe. It's not added hours to your productive hours. Yun naman yung goal, is to make sure na productive every day. So working at home, at first I'm very not obsessed about it kasi syempre at home, so tinatamad ka, gano'n. Pero nung tumagal na, let's say several months, okay naman na yung view ko for working at home. So mas gusto ko na siya kaysa sa bumabiyahe ng, alam mo yun, ng normal. Kasi syempre kailangan mo pa mag-ayos, mag-prepare, and then hours na biyahe, papuntang office, then babalik ng bahay. Yun. And, syempre, mas comfortable ka rin. And then, kapag break ko, nagsusokmed lang ako or nanonood ako ng Netflix. Especially kapag lunchtime ko na nakatapos ako ng isa at kung 30 minutes naman yung episode, dalawang episode na natatapos ko. Ayun. Wala naman ako may kikwento kasi usually it's more about your time. Kapag nagre-reporting ako, mas mabilis ako pag di ako nagsasalita, nakatutok lang ako. And for the past, siguro 6 years of working at home, no, oo, 6 years actually, kasi nag-start ako ng pandemic, so yun siya. Very happy na hindi ako nagkukumahog to learn something, pero it's up to me to learn something. So yun siya, ganun siya. Hindi siya yung very tedious, very structured training dito sa current work ko. It's more about it's your pace, it's your time, but make sure you can deliver. Parang ganun. So yeah. So later na lang, kapag nagawa ko din lahat ng reports ko and prepare for my big projects in the next coming days, magti-training na ako ng AI. I'm very, very excited to see. Sana yung motivation ko na to is hindi mawala kasi 12-week yun na training. Every day is a training day. So, yan. Balita ko kayo pag lunchtime na. Yay! It's 1 p.m. na. So, lunchtime. I'll check ko ano yung pwede kong kainin sa labas. But, natapos ko yung 3 reportings na kailangan kong gawin. And then, some emails that I have to answer. So, okay na ako nun. So, I have more time and more space with my projects on the second half of my shift. So, and usually, ganun yung aking arrangement. First is, of course, i-prep ko muna lahat ng tools and segregate all the emails, and then pag patak ng login time, that's when the time na mag-check ako ng emails and mag-sasagot, and then few updates, lahat ng reporting, nasa unahan ng shift, and then projects are always at the end para mas allowable time yung meron ako and mas malaki yung space tingnan sa calendar. So yan. Yan. Kaka-update ko lang ng last na report. At magla-lunch na. I think working sa night shift is very manageable naman kapag yung body clock mo is naturally okay with it, kasi sometimes kahit na gaano ka katagal mag-work sa night shift, pag hindi ganun kasanay yung katawan mo, babagsak talaga. So I've been working sa night shift for about siguro over a decade na, 13-14 years. So okay na ako, naka-adjust na yung katawan ko, and I always sleep at the daytime. And then, yeah. So after nito, I'll be doing the lunch. I'll be taking my lunch and project time. Yung mga gagawin ko, mas mabibigat. So, yeah.
The roomie guys.
That fat burning. faster. Selena's are 5 times likely to win. Wow! Nakakatawa. So, I'm starting the AI journey now. And I started with ChatGPT. Ginagamit ko din ChatGPT for a bit, pero more on general prompts lang pala. Now I discovered, nasa prompting pa lang ako. This is like the surface level of the ChatGPT. And look at this. Damn. Ano? Yung mga prompts, hindi ko mapakita. Hindi ko na papakita kasi nandun yung mga tabs for work. Pero, it's amazing. Amazing tool. Especially, parang kausap mo siya. So, kung may kulang ka na details that you'd like to see, i-add mo lang siya. So, mas specific, mas maganda. And kung sakali na when you're traveling, gawin mong travel guide sa ChatGPT. Don't ask for anything. Ask the ChatGPT to be the travel guide and to provide you more specific data. Depende pa yan sa prompt mo. Ang galing. Ang galing. I'm learning. Hello! So, it's 5:40. So, hindi ko na patatagalin tong vlog. So, almost done na yung shift ko. First time doing a day in a... What? A vlog in a day? A day in a vlog. So, hopefully you enjoyed it. So, that's actually what basically my day consists of. Pero nagbabago-bago lang siya depende sa mga dapat gawin. So yeah, if you haven't, like, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye! Kain! Bago matulog.
Keep your shirt on, Bobby.